friends, welcome to Enjoy Learning. In today's session, we are going to deal with an interesting as well as a confusing topic. We will be learning how to use have, has and had correctly. Let's get started. Let's begin with have. Begin with has. Has is used to describe something that someone possesses, and it is used with he, she, it and singular nouns. For example, he has a bag. It means that he possesses a bag. She has a car. It means that she owns a car. It has a sound. And another examples are Sarah has a beautiful dress. Here Sarah is singular noun. The school has a big park. A child has a pencil box. Next one is use of have. Have is also used to show possession, but it is used with I, you, we, they and with plural nouns. Let's see some examples. I have a book. It means that I possess a book. They have many friends. We have a lot of colors. You have a pencil. Children have a lot of homework. Renu and Meenu have 2 cars. You may have one confusion. Why have is used with I, even though I is singular? Please consider that as an exception. With I, we have to use only have. So, we need to understand that we use have with I. I have a pen. I have a book. I have colors. I have a lot of flowers. Next one is use of had. Had is the past form of has and have. It is used to describe an action or a possession that was there in the past. Had is used with all the subjects. Whether it is plural or singular, we use only had in the past. We'll go through some examples. He had a bike, which means that he possessed a bike. He may not have a bike now. Another example is we had a great time at the party. It is an experience that happened in the past. It's a past action. So, in today's class, we learned how to use has, have and had to show possessions. Now, it's your turn. I'll give you some questions. Please try these questions.
Question number 1. She dashed a beautiful dress. 2. We dashed a great holiday last year. 3. They dash an important meeting tomorrow. 4. I dash a question about the assignment. 5. He dashed a lot of fun at the party yesterday. Now please check your answers. 1. She has a beautiful dress. It means she possesses a beautiful dress. 2. We had a great holiday last year. From the word last year, it is clear that it is an action that happened. So we have to use had. 3. They have an important meeting tomorrow. We have to use have because before have we have a plural subject, they. 4. I have a question about the assignment. Here the answer is have because we have already learned that with I we have to use have. So the answer becomes I have. 5. He had a lot of fun at the party yesterday. From the word yesterday, it is clear that the action happened in the past. So we have to use had. Hope it is clear to you.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Enjoy Learning. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Keep practicing. Bye.